the beginning of this year, I was telling Leela that this year looks like I'm going to be single, but exactly 13 days later, I met Rahul and things completely started to change. So Rahul, I hope that the years that are coming ahead of us are going to be special.
Akka is more like a best friend to me than a sister figure. She's always been there for me, and thank you for that, Akka. And now Rahul Mama, thank you for giving Rahul Mama also. Now that he's also become like another friend figure to me because of Akka. So Rahul Mama, you better keep Akka safe and be happy, and I wish you a happy, very happy married life.
ആകാശ വീട് കട്ടും കണ്ണിലെ ചിന്നോണ്ട് കൂട് കട്ട വന്നേ സംഗീത പാദங்களின் பேரோசையில் சொக்கி உன்னோடு வாசல் வரை வந்தே
Rahul's sister. Rahul is more like a younger brother to me than an elder brother. About Annie, the first thing I liked in Annie is that she called Appa, my father and mother as Amma and Appa, which is so very lovable, welcoming and very impressive.
மின்னாம்பல் புன்னகையின் பேரன்பிலே விண்மீனில் வீடெடுப்பேன் என்றே உன்னை காணவே ஆசை ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒற்றை காலில் நின்றெங்கும் அதற்காகவே வாசல் படியோரம் எந்தன் வாழ்க்கை குடியேறும் எவரும் காங்கல இவம்படும் அவதி இதய துடிப்பினில் அலைகளின் சுருதி விழிகள் மலர்வதை ரசித்திட விரும்பி உறக்கம் போ ആകാശ വീട് കട്ടും കണ്ണിലെ
Finally, I'm getting married. So thank God and my parents. One point on one day, like we thought like okay, we can just proceed for the marriage, and at last, the day has come.
என்ன சொல்ல ஏது சொல்ல கண்ணோடு கண் பேச வார்த்தை இல்ல என்னென்னவும் உள்ளுக்குள்ள வெள்ள சொல்லாம வெட்கம் தள்ள சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை உள்ள திக்கி திக்கி பேச மல்லிகைப்பூ வாசம் கொஞ்சம் காத்தோட வீச உத்து உத்து பார்க்க நெஞ்சில் முத்து முத்தா வேர்க்க புத்தம் புது வாழ்க்கை என்ன உன்னோட சேர்க்க என்னோடு நீ உன்னோடு நான் ஒன்றோடு நாம் ஒன்றாகும் நாள் என்னோடு நீ உன்னோடு நான் ஒன்றாகும் நாள் என்னோடு நீ உன்னோடு நான் ஒன்றோடு நாம் ஒன்றாகும் நாள் என்னோடு நீ உன்னோடு நான் ஒன்றாகும் நாள்.
My dear, 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 dear best friend, you have finally gone from Miss KP to Mrs. Rahul. What a journey, huh? So KP and I have known each other through some of the most crucial years of our lives, and to be honest, if it wasn't for her, my life would have been pretty boring because she is literally a human pataka. She is a human firecracker. KP, you have brought so much fun into my life, and Rahul is one of the luckiest man in the world. So, Mr. Rahul, welcome to our tiny little gang. I am so thrilled for you guys because you guys could not be more perfect together, and I cannot wait for double the happiness, double the masti, double the craziness, and double the madness that lies ahead. I wish you guys a very, very, very happy married life. Congratulations. Love you both.
நெஞ்சோடு காதல் சேர நெஞ்சோடு காதல் சேர முச்சு முட்டுதே இந்நாளும் இந்நாளும் கைகோர்த்து போகும் பாதை கைகோர்த்து போகும் பாதை கண்ணில் தோன்றுதே.
So let's speak about my oldest memory of Krutika. My oldest memory of Krutika is in the 3rd standard, wearing a blue check pinafore and a white shirt and a total rowdy with her boy cut. And she used to pinch boys and girls. That was her main hobby.
She was a definite gundi in class. You wouldn't show to look at her. She seems quite power and all of that. So all the best, both of you. So much love, and we will see you soon.
Hi, this is Kanan. I am Priya's brother. Priya has always been a tomboy in our family. We share a lot of memories, a lot of fights. So it's amazing to see Priya's transformation from a tomboy to this beautiful bride. And I wish her all happiness. Rahul brings a lot of stability. I see a lot of patience, And I think he's the calm after the storm that Priya brings in. I wish both everlasting joy and happiness.
How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for.
Know Zippy as this jumpy girl who's just she's known as Zippy because she zips from here to there in no time.
I made up that name.
Yeah, she used to plan everyone's birthday so well. I don't know how she ended up planning her own wedding and her marriage. So happy married life to Rahul and Kritika, and all the best.
She was a planner of all our lives. She's literally planned her tickets even. Rahul, you have something big coming your way. Watch out. Good luck. Zippy, enjoy.
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away the standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to.
So hi, I'm Shrija and Rahul's friend. Gives me life advices and kind of philosophical thoughts and all that. So it's been a great journey as a friend with him.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believe.